Use solid wood strips and structural wood fillers to rebuild gaps in a broken door jamb before installing a new one. Start by assessing the gap and the damaged area, measuring depth, width, and whether the jamb sits plumb. For gaps larger than 1/4 inch, cut solid hardwood strips or finger-jointed pine to the exact thickness using a table saw and rip fence for straight edges. For small, uneven gaps under 1/4 inch, use tapered cedar or composite shims driven gently until the jamb is plumb, then trim flush with a sharp utility knife. Pre-drill pilot holes through the jamb and into the filler pieces to prevent splitting, then fasten with wood screws countersunk slightly below the surface and filled with matching wood filler. When using epoxy or structural 2-part wood filler for rotted areas, remove all loose material, follow mixing ratios precisely, and pack the epoxy tightly so it bonds to solid wood on all sides. Always aim to match grain and thickness to the surrounding jamb so the new trim sits flush and paint or stain blends smoothly. 3 common mistakes are using only caulk or non-structural filler to repair large gaps, driving screws without pilot holes, and failing to check that the framed opening is plumb before final fastening. Relying on caulk causes the repair to fail under load, so use solid wood fillers or structural epoxy for anything beyond cosmetic gaps. Screws without pilot holes will split the filler and reduce holding strength, so always drill pilot holes sized to the screw shank. If you do not verify the jamb is plumb, you will lock in an out-of-square frame, so use a long level and test the door swing before finishing. Loosen and adjust fillers as needed, then resecure. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and offers a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and post project photos. We help contractors find work by allowing them to present completed projects and participate in community discussions so both homeowners and professionals can learn and connect.